Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your TaskRabbit profile for more jobs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your TaskRabbit account. Navigate to the profile section in your dashboard. Select the option to edit your profile details. Begin by updating your profile picture with a clear, professional image. Choose a friendly and approachable photo that reflects your. Next, write a compelling profile headline. Make it concise and highlight your key skills. In the main profile description, describe your experience and services. Be specific about the tasks you excel at. Use friendly, engaging language that invites potential clients. Add relevant keywords to improve your visibility in search results. Now, scroll down to the services section. Select the tasks you want to offer from the provided list. Ensure you choose tasks that align with your skills and interests. Set competitive rates for each service you provide. Research what others in your area charge for similar tasks. Consider offering special promotions or discounts for first-time clients. Next, fill out your availability section. Clearly state the days and times you are available to work. Ensure your schedule is accurate and up-to-date. Now, focus on your reviews and ratings. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive feedback. Respond to any reviews you receive to show engagement. Finally, review your profile for any missing information. Make sure everything is complete and free from errors. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. By enhancing your profile, you'll attract more job opportunities on TaskRabbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.